I'm like, holy shit.
Yeah. I saw it on the map.
You gotta go there for yourself. You gotta like experience. I'm so pissed you were looking at the map for that.
Look, man, I just look at the map always. I was
look,
I'm gonna check how much you needed.
I'm not going through the map on mine because I'm like, the map's cool, but then it spoilers some stuff, especially with like, you know, the guys.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't really care. I don't care for minor spoilers, stuff like that.
Yeah, but I don't want to spoil myself.
I do because I play like maybe an hour.
I mean, like, I just don't like being lost. So
that is the one thing. Okay, I agree with like I don't want to be lost, right? Cause that makes sense.
That's what I mainly use it for. All I use it for is plotting routes. I don't actively go seek spoilers. So I have been mildly spoiled for an EC and SL.
You have got to be kidding me.
I just know the location. To be honest, I don't care.
Also, just playing this character and not being able to throw.
Cheers. Yeah.
I mean, it's fun and it changes my playstyle, but like, I already played this playstyle.
I like it.
It's a cool
addition. I got the Frigid Coast, I think.
Yeah, you're where I am right now.
I haven't met LTTM, though.
What's great about Saints campaign is we could say the name of the areas and, like...
It doesn't matter.
You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Bro, these guys! No! No! These fucking little guys! I hate them, 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 I hate them.
Are you good?
No!
What guys? Or is it a one I've yet to meet, or?
Water! Water! Many! Drag down!
Oh.
Those fucks, you know them.
I don't even fucking know.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
What's going underwater? I probably shouldn't be watching, but I think he'll be fine since I know most. I know what the SL becomes since I got there.
Yeah, but I'm getting out of SL.
Played these games before.
Where the hell was I last time I played Saint? I don't remember. I think that was just before LTTM.
Yeah, you were right before LTTM, and I basically told you stop, play Gourmand.
Zap wanna guide me through ISAT?
Not at the moment.
Oh.
Recording Eclipse plate.
Myth, if you want, you could play Rain World right now, and I can guide you.
That would be cool.
Gay World.
Would you be down?
I could also help.
Hi!
Oh, Edie.
Hi.
Send you some of my Eclipse runs and give you like an idea of how this going to works.
Yeah, please. I guess this also means I'm gonna start sending you my Isaac runs so you can see how Isaac works.
Yeah.
We do a stream trade.
Actually, maybe
yeah.
send
Isaac.
Real quick, can you send Evie a commando playthrough? I sent
Oh,
you
God.
just now.
Okay, I'm fine. Those little guys, I hate them so much. I loathe them. Ooh, ooh, I loathe them. Ooh, why are they fucking them? Ah!
You can go on top.
Can I send it here?
Oh my god, it just ate that thing. Okay.
Server, so it's whatever you
Yeah, so how to explain this? Okay,
A
so
link.
Connor, I don't know if you've experienced it, but if those guys die, they drop orange goop.
Oh.
You can eat their insides, but the only thing that can kill them is, as you saw, motherfucking
Oh, so
Leviathan. I'm saying Leviathan, fuck you.
Eating a bagel right now.
That is a Leviathan?
Oh, yeah.
You're a bigger woman, a hungry. Alright, Myth,
Okay,
you got this.
I think it's still
He got... I know he got... Myth, you grapple him! You grapple him!
Oh no, this is the underhang.
God, I wish I could hear Myth, but his, his microphone. His throat hurts and I don't want to be rude to him. I really like the shoreline threat.
I wonder if Myth has gone to the quote-unquote fuck-ass section.
No, he hasn't yet. Yeah, there's a
That's what
fuck ass.
movie named it.
No, that's what Connor names it. I've been able to get through it so easily. He calls it the fuck
Well,
ass.
'cause you have not played a single vanilla except.
No, I literally did. I got through it. You saw me get through it.
I don't remember.
I used the mushroom.
Oh right. Yeah, you never had to go through it though. This is my point. You never had to go through what I had to go through.
The wee.
He doesn't understand his pain.
Wee. Wah. Stop fucking crying, bitch. I don't want fucking hear it.
Yeah. Does Smith know what orange lizards do?
Hello?
Hi.
Wait. What? Huh? Where am I? What happened? Oh, do you see this?
Why does he keep smiting the beetles behind the thing I actually want to smite?
Please tell me you see this, right?
Yeah.
Here I go.
I can't move. I'm just gonna...
Awkward.
Stage.
I'm gonna do OL. It's
You know what?
actually a I'm not like
Yeah.
fine
So
about
Zappy,
it.
you're playing... Row. You're playing Row.
Playing Roar. Playing... I don't think I ever explained to you how Eclipse works. It's basically like a new game plus. That's it.
I guess I should play T-Boy.
Yeah.
The boyer. I love the name of the game because wait.
Oh, yeah.
No, I gotta say the full name of it. Hold up. The full name of
Full acronym.
full name. The name of my favorite video game is T-Boy Raw plus RR plus.
Oh my god, that's a moth. A moth just flew onto my arm.
Yeah, do you want me to say the full name of the Binding of Isaac?
Oh.
The full name of the Binding of Isaac. The full name of the Binding of Isaac is Binding of Isaac Rebirth, After Birth plus Repentance plus.
There is just a moth flying around my...
That's the full name of the Binding of Isaac.
CDI codes.
That is the full name of the game. Because the name changes. So originally the game was called Rebirth, but then the Afterbirth DLC came out, and then the name was changed to The Binding of Isaac Afterbirth. Then Afterbirth Plus came out and did the same thing. Then Repentance came out and did the same thing. Then Repentance Plus came out and did the exact same thing.
Epic.
So it's like a Russian doll of names.
Pretty.
Yeah, there is literally just a moth on my chair right now.
Is there a problem with that?
No, it's
Bro,
just
you chill.
cool.
You chill like that.
Bro, watch out! Hollow Knight fans are scared.
I think Hollow Knight fans are rejoicing that they finally got 6 long hours.
No, they're scared that there's a moth.
Oh. I don't play enough. I don't play Hollow Knight at all, actually.
Oh wait, do you think he's going to... Wait, Evie.
Hi.
You see what's going on?
Oh, I see what's going on.
Yeah, you think he's gonna go through that way?
I mean, that's the intended path.
I don't think it is, but...
Yeah, it is. Nope, he can't. Never mind.
Okay. I don't think it's the intended path. I think the intended path...
No, it is the intended path.
How do you know? Does the Overseer guide you there?
Who cares if
So-
it is?
Yeah, honestly.
Because if it was the unintended path, wouldn't FP send you that way? Because there's 2 holes in his chamber, right?
No, it doesn't matter though. That doesn't matter, though.
That is
It's
the
just
intended
what you
path,
know.
because I don't think the devs would want you to go through the fuck ass section, would they?
It's just rain.
No, I know the devs, they would. Yeah, come on, man. It's Rain World.
No, I know the devs, and also yes, that is the intended path. I've literally seen.
Personally, and he can get you banned from Rain World.
Does the Overseer guide you there though?
Yes, he does.
It does? Okay, I guess it is the intended path. Oh, fuck it, who cares? Wall's just better.
Bro, stop spoiling!
It's the name of a subsection, man. It's the name of a subsection. I feel like that's fine.
Now I have to put Rain World spoilers in the title of this. I am actually.
Bro, what the hell, Connor? Way to spoil the game. Way to spoil the game, buddy. No, I don't think we could be friends anymore. Zappy literally said no spoilers, and what happened? You spoiled the game!
Why wilt you do that,
What's wrong
Copper?
with you?
Why would you do that, Copper? Come on, Copper, do better.
What am I, like a police officer from the 80s? Like, why are you guys calling me Copper?
No, if we were
I was
referencing that,
thinking
we'd call you
Bobby
Cooper.
Bottom from Robots.
No, if we were gonna call you that, we would. Can we call Coop that now?
Hopper.
No, Cooper. Can we all start calling
Full version of...
Connor and Cooper.
But that shit funny.
Okay, I don't think I'm proud because I don't get this one. Called Connor.
Alright, man, I'm your guide.
Get ready for some goofy speaks.
Get ready for
I-
goofy spikes.
Get away from some goofy spikes!
Okay, I don't think I'm looking at
Go.
Minecraft anymore.
Kills him.
Dude, what is my luck with boss items this run?
Bro, secretly, dude, secret
Next
killer.
time try.
Dude, dude, secret kill animation if he kills a cool kid. Have you seen my son Max? I think you'd love him.
Wait, hang on, guys. I have an idea.
This moth is just staying
What
in
if-
the...
What if they add an Omni-Man skin to Forsaken and Jason skin?
They literally are adding invincible skins.
Where is he?
I mean, yeah, there's already an
Where is
Invincible skin
Omni-Man?
for
No,
Forsaken.
they're adding more. They're adding more. They're adding more.
writing?
There's two.
I think they are.
There's
Oh,
Cecil
yeah,
as
there's also
007 and Mark as guest.
Yeah. Oh,
Still
that's
want the Omni-Man's skin to be hilarious.
oh,
Where
that's
is
a-
Omni-Man?
yeah.
Where is
Okay.
he?
That's fine.
Where is he?
Wait,
Where is Elliot?
a Rex skin for Taft, dude?
Yes.
I have to watch Invincible.
Wait, have you not watched it?
No, I need to. I'm gonna do so soon with Vincent.
Yeah, I'm like halfway through season 2 right now. It's really good.
Never, John. Bury me in elephant green screen effect.
So, from what I've been told, season 3 is the best, with season 2 being the worst.
I'm not too far in, but the first season was just the best thing ever.
Yeah, even though the ending was kind of spoiled whenever it was popular a couple years ago.
I have to ask. Myth, I'm pulling out the personal questions.
Uh-oh.
Myth, how much money would I have to pay?
Why would you make me do this?
Myth, how much money would I have to pay to wear a Konata outfit?
I don't think we'd have to pay him at all. We just
not
had to
really.
get him the outfit.
No, this is not.
I was gonna say, yeah.
Just, yeah.
Yeah. How much would you want? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll wear it.
No, because I just saw a Konata cosplay on my Twitter. I'm like, I gotta ask the question then.
I'd rather wear a Nico outfit, but
What is this? Just saw a tweet called "Oompies do not
or a
fuck your
Bocky
sister."
outfit, TBH.
Yeah, don't do that.
My Twitter just told me that. Thanks, Twitter.
Told you what?
You want me to repeat it?
No, I don't.
Yeah? What
Okay,
was
I'll repeat
it?
it.
I don't...
From a post on Twitter, I repeat, Oompies do not fuck your sister.
I don't feel like that needed to be said.
You
I don't feel like that needed to be,
You literally-
needed to be told.
did
You asked for it!
I'm talking for the person who posted
Help.
that. I don't think it needs. I don't think you need to be
No, this
posting
is
that. I
stuck.
feel like that's just common sense.
Wait, but this is stuck!
Really? You just jump, like, I'll jump.
Oh, he's free.
Yeah. To be honest, you don't
It's a
need
source of healing.
drop
I
even when you're dying.
I needed that desperately. I'm just strides as a healing source dog.
This seems like a long and complicated path. I've never actually gone through here this way before. Looking on the map, ooh. Although, I will actually no, I'll let me find that out.
Get this off me.
Grapple worms. You can just pick it up to get it off,
Okay.
or kill it, which I think can survive or eat them.
I don't think so.
No, you cannot.
Oh, it's really
Oh, you have to go through there? Huh. Oh,
Potential leak. Guys, we got a leak coming in for new Pokemon game. Pokemon Legends ZA will Pokemon Legends ZA will reportedly not feature the return of the viral Dan
Spoilers.
Daniel
It
vine from a
sucks.
while ago.
did you know that legit? Wait, if you did you know legit gaming leaks is on Blue Sky?
Yeah, I know. I know about legit
Yeah.
gaming leaks. I look at him on Twitter. He's funny. Doesn't switch to a non
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
top
yeah.
of dispenser, and I'm like, dude, what the fuck?
Mario will
Yeah,
not
but
be
here's
a
the
playable
tweet.
character in the Hollow Knight Silk Song.
Pokemon Legends ZA will reportedly not feature the return of the viral Dan Daniel vine from a while ago.
From a while ago.
Yeah, it's just from a while ago, you guys.
And Salty DK Dan responds with, what the actual fuck? Thank you. Oh my god, he's flying! Look at it go!
Honestly, it might be a bit good that he's getting used to this area. Because of, you know, Eevee.
Oh. Yeah, I know.
Connor knows.
You see, Connor knows.
For those who know.
Yeah, Connor
Also a
knows.
really cool thing here, but I can't say it. 'Cause, like,
Hi, Zappy. How much money for me to put you in a Butcher the Rock outfit? On your choice.
Of my choice?
So you could be like Kita, you could be like, you know. You have to say the price and who would you want to be.
Sorry, stressing.
Yeah. Say the price and who you want to be.
$20, Nichika. Actually,
What about-
$20 and a soda of my choice.
What about you, Myth?
so where even? Oh,
How much money and who would you want to be?
hey, Jesus Christ, this is a fast route he's taking.
Could we skip the outfit part and turn me into actual Bocky?
I'm sorry, we can't do that. You just have to pick one.
Screw you.
Okay, Fifth, out of all your comfort characters, who would you be most likely to cosplay?
Nico. I just know that. I know it's. Yeah.
I think it's Nico, but, you know, sometimes people surprise me.
I'm shocked none of you have turned this question around to me.
Oh, we just haven't gotten to you yet.
Oh, hi.
Lol kid, would you cosplay as a femboy?
No. Next question.
Next question.
I thought you were gonna. I thought you were gonna ask me the question of fucking what amount of money and who would I cosplay as. Specifically from the Butcher the Rock cast. I don't know. That's. I thought you were gonna turn the question to me.
Is that a thing for L2TM?
What?
So the thing flying
Look
around?
JS.
Yeah, those are. In fact, oh wait. Oh, yeah, that's a thing.
I see.
There's tons in this area. There's tons of them.
Yeah, because this is this area. If you gotta get in that tunnel.
Man, this is go easy on him. Zero gravity is so annoying.
It's a skill issue. You were struggling with it.
To an extent, yes, but at the same time, it's also just really hard.
Just always carry an object with you.
I guess that is the easiest way. It's
Connor, what about you?
Hmm?
How much money and which character from Butcher the Rock would you cosplay as?
I don't know anyone from Butcher the Rock, so can I just turn it to like any?
Did I answer?
Yeah.
Hold on.
No, I didn't answer.
Alright, then answer. Oh,
50 bucks? Pizza.
Oh my goodness.
Did you hear me?
I don't know.
Debbie, did you hear my answer?
Oh, I just dropped, like...
Oh. I said 50 bucks, pizza.
Oh, I thought you said pizza the first time.
No, I was just getting absolutely chunked by a horse right now.
Okay, you know what? Let me just like.
I gotta buy me and T he folks some.
I gotta buy me the fucks.
Let me look these people up.
Me seeing the price of the Kita plushie in stores, I gotta buy me and the folks some Kita after this. Man, you do know you can do angles, right? You can jump at an angle. So you can jump upright.
Honestly, I don't. Honestly, for me, it would probably be $0, and I don't know any of them that has like a skirt for curiosity because curiosity wants a skirt. Curiosity wants a skirt.
Oh, I thought you were doing the stupid curiosity killed the cat moment.
No, that's just her name.
I'm sorry.
You know what? I have an ATG. It's fine. It's fine.
I'm Zappy. I'm shocked.
Not like I just lost 2 watches.
Zappy, I'm shocked. $20 and a drink for Michika?
Yeah. How was that a hot take?
No, I honestly thought you were gonna pick like Kita or Rio.
Why do
I don't know. My brain just thought that.
Think about this. What instrument do I play?
Oh. Kinda makes a lot of sense.
What do I not do?
Drumming it.
Literally nobody gets that.
I'm drumming it. I'm drumming it. It's just like a drum solo. Oh no!
I didn't know there was that in there. Yeah, you shouldn't go into those.
Hey man, be careful about my friends. My friends are. I know my friends are pretty cool, but like, could you not be careful? Could you be careful of my friends, please?
No.
The rot sis are your friend.
Dude, I love.
Evie,
Dude,
last time you said there was a friend of yours in Rain World, it tried to kill me first.
because you're not friends with it.
Well, I was acting in self-defense.
By the way,
I think it would be better for you to save Myth.
he doesn't have food. Oh no,
He does. Barely.
Just enough. But I mean,
If he gets to the area fast enough, he could make it. I do know the route.
Doesn't it take 4 pips?
It does take 4 pips. I do know the route, Myth, if you want to take the Myth. Playing a dangerous game, Myth.
just gonna figure out what those do real soon, I suspect. Because, to be honest, I hate them.
Oh, nope.
Wait, how long have I had a Hunter's Harpoon for?
Yummers.
So
Yummers.
that's the rot cysts. You can probably.
You know what's the worst part? Isn't he back in...
He's all the way back to the start. However, that was the fastest path that he was taking. That was the fastest path to where he wants to go. So, that was actually kind of insane how he just incidentally did that.
Wait. Wait, hold up. Ita is 16? Well, the rest are 17? No!
Wait, what?
Kita's the old.
They're all like
Mochi, Nijika, and Rio are
under
17, while
18.
Mochi, Nijika, and Rio are all 17, while Kita is 16.
Myth, I guess you gotta update your for character chart.
I think at least? This looks correct.
Where are you getting this information?
They're 15 during the first season.
Huh.
Where are you guys getting your information from?
The internet.
Which part of the internet?
The
Sources.
guys, all characters.
My
No.
source that I made the fuck up.
No. I'm looking at the page right now. It says right here, all characters shown in this animation are 18. Wait a minute.
ED? What Mochi the Rock are you watching?
Wait. Huh.
Just a smoothie?
I knew that would get you guys. Yeah, guys, right here it says all characters shown in this animation are 18 or but wait a minute. That was a funny bit. I'm sorry.
Hey, wait a second.
Checking.
Wait a second! I'm right! Me playing chess and me wondering why my team, the other player hasn't gone yet. Wait a minute! I'm right!
Alright, let's hope for good RNG on my void items today.
Alright, let's open up this video game.
My last one was insane.
Wait, today's Sunday, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my god, it's my last day of spring break.
I still
Oh,
have one more day.
Go back to school!
Meep.
Go ahead. Welcome back to school. Oh, yo, they just posted in the Forsaken Discord an update on Nolan. Let me read this.
I'm reading it. I'm reading it. I'm reading this. Ooh, I'm reading this. Happy Easter.
Reading
I
it.
hope. Yeah. I'll get first. I'll stop me. You guys want to do nice,
Okay. Oh, moveset has been finalized.
Two time?
No, Noli.
Upcoming killer.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, it's the one that's happening next. For King.
Oh, okay.
Hoping for them to release in the very near future. Very in italics.
So like in the next week or so.
Maybe.
If we're lucky.
I'm thinking beginning of May.
Yes, he could stunt. Yes, he could still turn people into bombs. I'm sure. I made sure to emphasize that funny enough. He could turn people into bombs.
You didn't know?
No.
One of his movesets is like a landmine bomb, and if you're doing it while running, you lunge forward and place it. If that hits a person, it puts them on it. It puts the bomb on person.
Oh, that's really funny, actually.
I completely lost what this is. Oh.
All I'm saying, so I'm just gonna post this because I just found this on Twitter and I find it funny. So the second episode of Indie Cross, the one I was talking about, has a great side story. Like they have the main story, right, and then the B plot, and the B plot is just this. This is literally their lead plot.
I hate these creatures.
ALLs, yeah.
Please give me good healing. That is not good healing.
You know what else isn't good healing?
But just actually.
You playing Elliot.
Damn!
I was gonna say my mom! And he just cut me off with the stab at my skill. For no reason, by the way.
UJN.
Did you accidentally use that?
Please tell me you didn't accidentally use that. Yeah,
Can you cancel out of them? Can't you cancel out of them?
I don't know if you can.
Do I Alt F4?
Hit the continue button and see if you can exit out. Yeah, you might need to force close.
Alt F4? Alt F4?
What did he do?
Alt F4?
I can't tell you. Spoilers.
We can't tell you spoilers.
Mechanic.
Why is the Kasane Kettle plushie $898 currently on eBay?
NGL, I'm dealing with that later.
Okay. You're not meant to go down, I will say that. However, I would say you're halfway there too. Okay, honestly, this is the easier path. I kind of overestimated how hard it
We're halfway there.
overestimated how hard that area is.
Squidward on a chair!
But yeah, that is very good progress.
Yeah, I was about to say, shouldn't this be the easier path? We've been taking the harder path this entire time.
I don't know, I find them all pretty easy.
Because we had to get through you had to get through the fuck ass section and then the fuck ass section too.
I mean, most Scugs can just skip the second one, and you can just go through CC. Skip the first one.
My name is Isaac. I did the roguelikes.
Alright.
Thinking about it, if you're good enough, you could probably skip the second one as others as well, like survivors.
My name is Isaac. I did the roguelike.
Yeah, Myth, if I had to say, you're like very late mid-game.
I'm drawing on my computer and editing videos.
Mid-gay.
Once you get to the next part, which you'll see, it'll be obvious what that part is. Then I'll say you are like in / late game.
Yeah. Alright.
Can someone give me Robux so I can get VIP Jason skin?
Okay,
I gotta play Bethany. I don't want to play Bethany. Fine, I'll play
Well,
Bethany.
VIP.
I mean, I don't know.
I have to play Bethany. This sucks.
You know, I'm gonna hop on and we'll now. Just been cycling.
I got this.
Nah, he'd win.
Hunter interests me, but I know I'm nowhere near good enough to.
Don't play Gourmand, dude.
I heard you beat Gourmand.
You beat it?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
not as Gourmand. I don't
But
like
you need,
Gourmand.
but you need to eat every food.
No, I'm
You
not.
do. You unlock the little guys.
I know you unlock. I'll do it after I beat Saint. Maybe I don't know if you want to screen the share because some spoilers and stuff.
What's up?
What is that effect every time I wake up from a shower?
Myself. Oh!
Connor?
Nothing. Oh right, I was literally right outside what's in the container.
I just realized I had a mod on that I should probably not have on. I'm disabling that.
What is this, by the way?
What is what?
Ginger.
Ginger.
Okay,
Why,
so
what's wrong?
Moon just telling me to fuck
Alright.
off, I guess.
Alright. You know what? Screw this. I'm in the mood to watch Butchie.
Did we already binge the whole thing? Or did you guys not binge it after my
Can I watch it with you?
We didn't binge it at all. No, I don't want to watch Lucky Star. Womp, 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 womp.
Oh, it's Kanata's thing. It's gonna be because of Kanata's thing.
Shit, it's Kanai's theme. It's gonna be Kanai's theme.
Can I watch the film?
Is that an EC that I see?
Guys, I'm so...
Why do I see the pigs?
Guys, look at the stream. Alright, guys, we're gonna watch Butchie the Rock.
Oh,
Alright, do you guys have the
actually
stream?
watching Bochi the Rock, do
Yeah, alright, do you guys have the stream unmuted?
Announcing it.
Do you guys have the stream unmuted?
Why do I feel like this is like
Yeds.
some sort of
IYES.
go for it?
Yeah, it's Kanai's theme. It's gonna be Kanai's theme.
It's gonna. Oh my god.
Alright, that's my bit. We're actually, alright, now we're gonna watch it. That was my bit. That was my bit for the day.
That was Evie's horrible bit.
No! Turn off auto skip.
Why do I see the flakes here?
Alright, you guys ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna play it.
Yeah.
Woo.
What the freak are they saying?
Isn't it like a different language?
Oh, it's Ian. Why you gotta be kidding me?
It's in Japanese.
Oh
No?
no!
Where the subtitles not showing up?
The
Stupid
subtitles are
idiot.
showing up. I think Mithril's just trying to gaslight me. Because I know it's in Japanese. I thought it was like one of those things where Evie just played it like in a different dub that wasn't Japanese or English.
It's the English dub. No, it's the Ghost Stories dub. It's
Yeah.
I was making a joke about
Portuguese
us not
JoJo's.
understanding Japanese.
dude, I would have been so funny if it was like, dude, what are you listening to? The Portuguese dub?
Portuguese dub of JoJo's.
Are you mad scientist? Fucking love that. Anyway, I'm gonna play it.
Oh, I probably should not be.
Fucking mouse out of here!
Oh Jesus Christ!
Bro,
I need to find shelter.
bro, I forgot. Why are the subtitles so fucking big?
It's even worse when there's like something happening in the background, so it just has like 4 sets.
Why are the
of
subtitles so freaking?
Yeah, I don't know why the subtitles are so big, and I don't know if I can change them. You're like, here? Yes!